Hello, welcome back. We had a pretty good rain last night for the first time in a while. See that part of the trenches caved in a little bit. So we're gonna have to backfill it in some more. Good amount of dirt on either side of the trench. Just scoop that in. Um, yeah, we gotta clean up all this and then figure out how to get the pipes. So I threw that extra 4x4 I have. The one that's in there now is better height than the other one's a little shorter. So we're gonna have to dig out back here a little bit more, like a post hole digger or something. Move the 4x4 back and then the two pipes, get them to the correct length to be at the 4x4. So, see, the one's quite a bit short. The other one will be several inches short once I move this back. I'm going to work on moving that 4x4 to its final resting place in a moment here. Time lapse. I guess we'll work on filling in a little bit of this, and then we'll work on the pipes on the other side. So, I guess some time lapse. One pipe is glued, except for the upright. Um, that's going to go on the front face of the board. I think I'm going to put the other one on the side. So I just want to confirm, triple confirm, which pipe is which. So I'm going to put the shop vac on the other end, and it should, in theory, blow this blue towel up in the air. So let's go see if we can see that from the other end, and hopefully the wind doesn't blow it away. I doubt you can see the blue towel. Oh, I don't know, maybe it is HD quality. So shop vac, took this thing off. We're gonna blow that into there. And as soon as I turn this on, I'm sure we're gonna lose our audio. So I will try to do this. This is not gonna work. All right, so blue towel right there. I'm gonna do the shop vac at the other end since you won't be able to hear me anyway. So it'll be a little pause, and then hopefully the blue towel will shoot up in the air. So stay tuned. A bit when the theory actually works. So I'm going to mark that one with a Sharpie that it's the main electrical, and the other one will be spare or low voltage. Probably low voltage. Let's take this off. shoot myself in the head. There we go. All right, so that'll be a better measurement. So measure from there, 3/4 plus there to the bell, 24.5 inches looks like. So basically we're going to try to use this piece of wood to keep this somewhat square. And check our measurement. Quarters, 24.5. That's about right. Looks good. Put glue on this side. And in the bell. Try not to get glue on your sleeve. It's kind of important to keep it upright. Once it's glued, you can't bend it. Twist it. Doing this the day after rain's probably not the best. I guess that's about it. Other than the uprights, do them at a later time. Gotta get junction box for electrical outlet back here. Might do a double gang so we can have a light switch to turn the electric outlet on and off. And like I said, the other one will be for future expansion. So losing daylight, I think we'll backfill another day. Just gonna clean up and call it a day. Gobble gobble.